Guys, what's up? This is going to be my video on the top 20 best Cydia tweaks for the iPad for the year of 2010. The Cydia source that you'll need to get in order to get all these Cydia packages that I list in this video for free is cydia.exilize.com, and the next Cydia source that you'll need to add in order to get all these Cydia packages for free is repo.insanelyeye.com. Now in this video I'll be listing all these Cydia tweaks from number 1 all the way to 20, starting with the first one. Now the first one will be the best and most useful Cydia tweak, and the last one, which would be number 20, will be the least use not the best Cydia tweak, but it is a little bit useful. Now the first Cydia tweak in this video is Folder Enhancer. What Folder Enhancer allows you to do is extend the use of your native folders on the iPad. So then you simply can tap on a folder, and then you can have folder within a folder within a folder, and so on. Now you can have up to 320 icons within one folder, and this folder enhancer does support many custom layouts, including iconoclasm and many other springboard layouts. You can also have your folders on your dock so that you can quickly launch it instead of scrolling through your home screen pages. And you also can hide the folder name and many other features that you can change in the settings tab. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is pull to refresh for Safari. So with pull to refresh for Safari, you simply can open up your Safari web browser, and then once Safari is open, it will go to the page, and then you can just scroll to the top of the page, and then it says release to refresh, and once you release the page, it simply refreshes the page instead of tapping on the button where the address bar is. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is scrolling board. What scrolling board allows you to do is have scrolling folders so that you can vertically scroll through your folders, and also you can scroll through your dock. Now you do get all your multitasking features, including portrait, landscape, and portrait orientation, lock button, and you do have your brightness, your iPod controls, and the volume slider for the iPod app. And you also do have you can also download in Cydia SB settings toggles to put on your scrolling board so that you can easily change these features. Now you can change edge, data, and all of those different ones to so that you don't have to slide through SB settings and then change it from there. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is Infinity Board. What Infinity Board allows you to do is vertically scroll through your home screen page, and then you simply can add as many icons as you want on one page. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is Full Force. What Full Force allows you to do is it scales, like for example, if you have an iPhone app on your iPad and it doesn't fit through on the screen, so you can either just have the regular iPhone sized app on your iPad, or you can just double the size of it, and then it will be more pixelated. But with Full Force, you simply can make it to the size of the iPad, and it's not pixelated at all, and it looks like it's made for the iPad. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is Retina Pad. Now what Retina Pad allows you to do is, once you go into your settings, then you go to Retina Pad right there, you see that it has many of the iPhone user applications, and then you simply can tap on all-in-one game box, for example, and then once you go into there, you can tap on it, and then it says to enter Retina Pad, you have to stop using it from the switcher bar. So then you simply tap on that, and then you go into all-in-one game box, and then as you can see, it isn't pixelated at all on the iPad depending on the game that you play, and then this works for 99% of the games on the iPad, and then as you can see right there, it isn't as pixelated as it was before if you were to use it on the regular iPhone mode. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is infinity folders. What infinity folders does is it allows you to add an infinite number of icons within one folder. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is stay opened. What this allows you to do is when you go into the App Store and then you download an app from the App Store, then you simply click on it, then it starts installing. It will usually automatically go to the app after closing out of the App Store. But with this, it keeps the App Store open so that it doesn't do that all the time, and you can download more apps at once without keep on going into the App Store. Now, the next Cydia tweak in this video is Gravity Board. What Gravity Board allows you to do is it adds gravity to your springboard. So I assign the activation method to double tapping the status bar, and when you double tap the status bar, the icons move, and then you simply can play with the icons and flick them around the screen. Now, as you can see right there, and also while you're doing this, you simply can launch an app, say for example settings, and then you can exit out of the app. Now this is it isn't too useful, but it's a very cool Cydia tweak. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is Switcher Mod. What Switcher Mod allows you to do is it basically changes the app switcher so that you already have a little minus button to minus the apps. So for example, the mail app, if you tap on the minus right there, it'll exit out all of those apps following that row if you set it to it. So then it is a very useful multitasking mod, and it also does have a settings. It does have a settings tab, and then once you go into the settings tab, you'll see that you can it has many activation methods. It has choose active app, close button style. You can change it to red minus, for example, and you can exit app style, and then you can change it to hidden or something like that. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is Font. What Font allows you to do is once you it basically changes the system font on your device. So for example, as you can see, the system font on my device is completely changed. So when we go to the lock screen, as you can see right there, the clock is changed from the regular standard text, and at the bottom where it says slide to unlock, it also is changed. Now, for example, when you go into Cydia, now once you go into Cydia, you'll see the text right there. And it shows the text right there. And you can also download Font from Cydia. Now to get the fonts for Bitafont, you simply go search Bitafont and then it shows Bitafont's Pack 1. In this video is G Power Pro. What G Power Pro allows you to do is change slide to power off and slide to reboot and slide to respring. It basically adds more, it adds these two toggles so that you can easily slide to reboot, slide to respring, instead of just sliding to power off. Now the next tweak in this video is no spot. What no spot does is it just simply stops having the spotlight. Now the next Cydia tweak is multi-icon mover. So when you put your device into wiggle mode and then you simply tap on the right of the icon, you'll see a little check mark on the icon, and then you can move them to a different page if you would like, and then you hit the home button, and then you'll see those new apps in that page. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is synchronicity. What synchronicity allows you to do is while you are syncing your device, usually you'll say slide to cancel and then it will stop your syncing. But while you're syncing your device, you can simply keep on using your device while you're syncing. Now, the next Cydia tweak is gridlock. What gridlock allows you to do is place your icons anywhere that you would like on your screen. Now this is very useful depending on how you use your device, and it just changes the layout of the device. Now the next Cydia tweak is covert. What covert does is it adds private browsing in Safari so that it doesn't record the cookies or the history while you're searching on the Safari. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is Safari Download Manager. So when you open up Safari Download Manager, you'll see a little tab right there, and you can also download things in Safari including music and so on. Now the next Cydia tweak is Locktopus. What Locktopus does is when you simply hold on an icon, you'll see that there's a little lock there. So for example, you see that there's a little lock there where Evernote is, and then you can exit out of it, and when you tap on it, it will prompt you for a password. And then the default password when you first get this app is password. And then once you type in the password, it will then launch the app after. Now, Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is lock info. What lock info does is it adds your calendar, your mail, your notifications, your missed calls, your voicemails, and much more into this one combination so that you can just look at it from your home screen, so that you can just look at it from your lock screen and take a quick glance at it. So this is a very useful Cydia tweak, and it can be and it just integrates everything into one to just make it very useful. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is Quick Lock 2. What Quick Lock 2 allows you to do is once you are using Quick Lock 2, you simply tap on the application, then it locks your device, just so that you don't use your power button instead. Now those are the top 20 best Cydia tweaks for the iPad and the best of 2010. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, please like this video, and thanks for watching.